The spirit of Christmas gives a year-round recap of what has happened. This year, Bacolod Taytong High School has continued to achieve and succeed with many blessings and accolades it has had for the entire year. We are truly grateful for the love and support our students, teachers, parents, and other stakeholders have given to the Taytong community. With this, we continue to reach out and give our gratitude through the different ways we can, sharing our blessings to others, continuing the legacy, and so forth. These are our simple ways of saying thank you. We appreciate all of you, and let's continue to spread and share the spirit of Christmas. Everyone, these are our Taytungan stories for 2024. May our Taytungan stories continue to shine this Christmas and the whole year of 2025. In behalf of the Board of Trustees and the whole school community, binabati ko kayo ng maligayang Pasko.
Nagkalat sa langit, mga talang walang kasing rikit, kumukutitap nilang ilaw, gabay sa gabing mapanglaw.
Even though it was somewhat bittersweet, my favorite Taytonian memory had to be our grade 10 graduation. Knowing that we as a batch won't be complete here in the following year, it was the perfect ending, or like the culmination of a very up and down year. We finally got the graduation that COVID took from us, and it was really nice to have all of our efforts finally pay off and be recognized.
Ang kwento ng isa't isa. Love, joy, and hope are glowing. The good times they are bringing. And now our story shine this Christmas. Our story shine this Christmas. Sa liwanag mo kay lakas. Our story shine this Christmas.
Recently, I was awarded with my 30th service award during our foundation anniversary, and I was grateful for having that award. I just want to greet everybody Merry Christmas and a happy and prosperous New Year for 2000.
Puting kaibigan, kamay.
But well, for this year, the best memory I had is of course the awarding ceremony. It's the first time that we were recognized sa Gabi ng Parangal during this 90th celebration. Yes, it was a big pat on the shoulders of us teachers, being recognized for our efforts. The Parangal given to us, the certificates, is not that very important, but what matters more is the work recognition that we receive from the higher one.